This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva Recording Studio. First, open any Canva design you wish to record. Look for the Share button located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and a menu will appear. From this menu, select the Present and Record option. Finally, choose Go to Recording Studio to enter the recording environment and prepare your session. Before you begin recording, it is crucial to set up your equipment properly. The studio will prompt you to check your camera and microphone. Make sure the correct devices are selected from the drop-down menus. You can also choose whether to share your entire screen or just a specific window. Always perform a quick audio and video test to ensure everything is working perfectly before you hit record. Once your setup is complete, simply click the prominent Record button to start capturing your presentation. You have the flexibility to pause and resume your recording at any point, which is great for taking short breaks or gathering your thoughts. A timer will help you keep track of your recording length. After finishing, you can easily trim the beginning or end of your video to remove any awkward pauses. When you are satisfied with your recording, click End Recording. Canva will then take a few moments to process your video, preparing it for download and sharing. You can download your finished recording as a high-quality MP4 file directly to your device. Alternatively, you can generate a shareable link, allowing your audience to view your presentation online without needing to download anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.